How to redeem OnePay points for cashback. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser and head over to onepay.com. Then go to the three lines in the top right, and then there on the right hand side you can see OnePay rewards. Just tap on it and then scroll down, and here you can see how to redeem OnePay points. So once you have at least 25 OnePay points, you can redeem them in the app for cashback into your OnePay cash account. Each point is redeemable in value to 1 cent. For example, you could redeem 1000 OnePay points for $10. You can also redeem points for a statement credit towards a OnePay credit card balance or select another option. So basically for this, you'll need to sign in to your OnePay app on your phone. So that's how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.